fún mi kàṣíní lọ́nà máa ṣì mí lọ́nà kí má fi gbó sọ̀nà láàyè ẹ dájà fún mi o ẹ dájà fún mi ní gbogbo ọ̀nà lórúkọ Jésù. ọ̀nà bá rújú bó bá dàpọ̀ Ọlọ́run tójú ọjọ́ ṣe dẹ́dẹ́dẹ́dẹ́ bẹ̀dá ayé bá ń pinnu láti ṣe bí wọ́n jà fún mi kíákíá. ó sọ ìmáàmá ní di asán lórí Mọ́dékáì bàbá ayé lórí ayé mi gbogbo ìbínú ọ̀gá ẹ̀dá wa jà fún mi o. má jẹun ṣìnà jà fún mi o. orí jà fún mi ẹ̀dá jà fún mi yẹsí ní lọ́nà máa ṣì mí lọ́nà kí má fi gbó sọ̀nà láàyè ẹ̀dá jà fún mi tọ́ mi bàbá Ọlọ́run tọ́ mi ní gbogbo ìgbà mi láyé ó jẹ́ kí èṣù àti àwọn gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣì mí lọ́nà láti sọ̀rọ̀ mi àti ayé mi pẹ̀lú. bàtà bá bínú mi láìṣẹ̀ Ọlọ́run tí wọ́n sọ pé dandan láwọn ẹni ní òun rẹ̀ gbẹ̀kùn ni yóò lọ àrígiṣẹ́gi sórí ara rẹ̀ èrò ọ̀tá mi kò pa wọ́n lẹ́mí ga jọ̀tá mi ńlá ìwọ ló jà fún Jósẹ́fù gbógun ẹbí sì le tó ó padà sọ́ọ̀dọ̀ lórí ìjọba orí wá gbè mí o jà fún mi o orí jà fún mi ẹ̀dá jà fún mi kàṣíní lọ́nà máa ṣì mí lọ́nà kí má fi kó sọ̀nà láàyè ẹ̀dá jà fún mi tọ́ mi bàbá Ọlọ́run tọ́ mi ní gbogbo ìgbà mi láyé pátá lórúkọ Jésù. orí yéye ní mọ̀ àwọn abínú ẹni láìṣẹ́ ló pọ̀ nígbà tó tá a bá fojú dọ̀rẹ́ bàbá fojú wọn lédè ọba ni mí mo gbọ́dọ̀ jọba gbàdúrà mi Olúwa ẹni yóò ṣe sí ọ̀sánrọ̀ mi ẹni ní ọlọ́lọ́hun gbogbo fi mí jọba lórí ọ̀tá mi ọ̀rọ̀ mi darí yànjiyàn jà fún mi o orí jà fún mi ẹ̀dá jà fún mi kàṣíní lọ́nà máa ṣì mí lọ́nà kí má fi gbó sọ̀nà láàyè ẹ̀dá jà fún mi tọ́ mi bàbá. lójú ọ̀nà ògo ayé mi ẹ̀dá jà fún mi àwọn afojúfẹ́ni tí ò fẹ́ ní dénú ẹ̀dá jà fún mi àwọn afẹ̀jẹ̀sínú tuntun funfun jáde ẹ̀dá jà fún mi òun ṣẹ́ mi òun gbà mí Olúwa mo ṣìkà ẹ̀dá jà fún mi àfẹ́ jẹ́ màmá fẹ́ káyọ̀ ẹ̀dá jà fún mi àwọn tó ń fúnni lóko ìdí ọ̀pẹ run ẹ̀dá jà fún mi lórí iṣẹ́ tí ò lọ dédé ẹ̀dá jà fún mi ìgbà tó dàbí pé ó nira ẹ̀dá jà fún mi.
Good evening o, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ everybody. Good evening my people. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ o, good evening. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Ṣàlàáfíà ni o. Thank God for everything. Ẹ mọ̀ mo ti sọ pé lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan màá máa jáde tí ń bá kàn rò gbókè. I just wish to say something kí n kàn jáde. Gẹ́gẹ́ mo yẹ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé mo sọ pé nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe yìí o has nothing to do with AJT mo. Èmi gangan I take it upon myself pé ẹ mọ̀ I'm a Christian. Kò yẹ Christian nìkan tíyàn bá dẹ̀ rí nǹkan tó yẹ pé àdìs ó yẹ kíkó òpókè just my opinion ni kò ṣe pé has nothing to do with AJT at all. Èmi gangan mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ló wù mí láti sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé rí kọ́lọ́n kó máa ṣàánú fún wa ní kọ́lọ́n kó jọ kó ṣàánú fún wa. kó má jẹ́ ká ṣubú fọ́tà yọ̀, kọ́lọ́n kó má jẹ́ ká tẹ́ ní ti ìkà, kọ́lọ́n kó jọ nínú àánú ẹ̀ gbogbo ọ̀nà wa láyé tá a ṣe bá ṣe ń rìn ká má tẹ́ ní ti ìkà o. Nǹkan tó dẹ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ tún fẹ́ sọ ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣọ́ra o, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa ṣọ́ra. Èmi mo ti, that has been part of me. It's not maybe Facebook whatever. I've been a one kind person tó yẹ pé èmi ò kì í ro kò sẹ́jọ́ tí mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rù because mo mọ̀ pé kò sí ẹnì kankan tó lè bá ẹ gbé nǹkan kan tó bá wù ẹ́ tó bá rò pé ókè ọ̀rẹ́ mi leléyìí pé aláṣìírí mi, kò sáláṣìírí. Ọlọ́run nìkan láláṣìírí. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè fi ọ̀rọ̀ tọ́, is only God. Nobody can keep any secret for you. Don't even ẹ. Nobody can keep any secret. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè keep his secret. Whatever you think that this person nobody can solve any solution. Nobody has solution to anything lọ́wọ́. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló ní solution sí anything tó bá wù ká máa dojú kọ láyé, and it's only true friend. Only true friend nìyẹn o. Jésù nìkan ni only true friend tó lè ní. Kó bá ṣe even láàrin àbúrò, láàrin ẹ̀gbọ́n, ní bàbá sí ọmọ, ìyá sí ọmọ, God himself is the only true friend tíyàn lè ní. Kò sí true friend kankan. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ náà ni o, awareness náà ni. Awareness tèmi náà fẹ́ keep, mi ò ní nǹkan kan, and it has nothing mo tún sọ to do with AJ team. Ṣé rí kíní kan ó máa ń yà mí lẹ́nu tí n bá rí ní orí tí mo máa ń yà mí lẹ́nu gan. Ṣé rí la máa sọ pé why will you support, why do you want to support this person, why do you want to support this man? Everybody can listen to it, everybody can no. Wá okay, even though kan tó bá yẹ pé bóyá ẹni tó ṣe nǹkan kan yìí àbí whoever tó bá ṣe nǹkan, ṣé do you think that even though tí gbogbo ayé bá kọ̀yìn sí ẹnìkan, ẹ gbà pé òkè ẹni yìí ó tiẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa, tí gbogbo ayé bá kọ ẹ̀yìn sí, ṣé ẹ̀yin rò bóyá ṣé ẹnìkan anybody rò bóyá Ọlọ́run á kọ ẹ̀yìn sí ni? That is why mo sọ pé God is the only true friend. If you think that this person is a bad person, okay, this person actually commits this offense, actually did this thing, do you think that if you want to orchestrate all the whole world to be against this person, do you think God will follow you suit láti wà against that person? God will not follow suit with you to be against that person. Now, if at all, hear me good, if at all this person, whoever commit this sin or whatever, do you think if you are orchestrating the whole world, if you think that, why do you want to support him? Why do you want to support her? Kinikan, are you not a mother? Shebi you are a mother, you have a female children. Come on, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbogbo yẹn. And winning in gbogbo yẹn, because if you want to put feelings, you want to put sentiment, you will say, ṣebí ọlọ́mọbìnrin, ṣebí you have a female child. If I have a female child ńkọ́, ní pé kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa rí àwọn nǹkan tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ òkè tí n bá mọ̀. Because oníkálukú ọba ṣe wà lórí Facebook wi, ẹlòmí àríra wa now, or is it because of the way you think that gbogbo ọba ṣe wà lórí Facebook tá à ń ṣe? Mi ò bá ti ẹ̀jọ́ ọmọ kékeré. You don't know the position, you don't know the kind of person I am. It's not how small. I don't know the kind of person you are. It's not how small. Ẹlòmíì lè carry grace. Ó lè ní designing spirit. Tó bá ti rí nǹkan, tó bá ti gbọ́ nǹkan, mọ̀ pé léyìí irọ́ ló wà ńbẹ̀. Kò ṣe pé ṣebí you have a female children, you have a female whatever. Why are you supporting? Okay, if the whole world, if the whole world, you want the whole world to be against him, will you think God will be against him? Do you think God will be against him? Do you think that is every time on here now? Do you think God will be against? No, God will not be, because Ọlọ́run wá fún ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ gangan Ọlọ́run ò wá fún perfect. That imperfect gangan Ọlọ́run wá fún láti lè sọ pé okay, I come for your imperfection. I want to deal with your imperfection. I'm not coming for those people that think they are perfect. Now, àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nìsín, àwọn tó pé àwọn ní story. This is a meal, has nothing to do with AJT. I just deem it fit. But whenever I feel like coming out to say something, I will come out. Whenever I don't feel, I will just keep quiet. Nobody can say, why are you supporting? No, because I have a female children, I have a brother, I have a father. So, I only have a female children. Now, àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ṣé even ẹni tí ó bá tiẹ̀ kàwé kò ń ṣe ìgbà míì kan kò ń ṣèwé ìwé kan ló ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan náà ọpọlọ tọ́lọ́run fún wa yìí tó bá gbọ́ nǹkan tó assimilate àti tó gbọ́ nǹkan tó digest ẹ̀ tó bá digest ẹ̀ wàá mọ̀ tó bá yẹ pé o tún wá lẹ́mìí ọlọ́run àbí tó ní designing spirit tó bá ti gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan kan tó bá ti rò pọ̀ rò sọ̀ wá jókòó wá wò pé ọ̀rọ̀ igan ṣó ní mí nì okay now kákọ́kọ́ wo àwọn tó ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì yẹn at times you will say is it because this person and you don't like this person that is why you are not supporting her. No. One, if let's look at the people that are giving out this message tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ pé this person yìí okay now kí làwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe that you think that those message they are bringing out you can believe it. One, ẹni tó ń give out message yẹn Bukky Jesse ó ti mú ọmọ 12 years wá sórí ó ti wá blackmail ó ti wá bully ọmọ 12 years pé ọmọ 12 years yìí o pé wọ́n disbagin ẹ̀ ó ní ìyá ọkọ wọ́n lè jáde ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí Bukky Jesse tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó náà pé wọ́n ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì yìí now let's look at those people that are giving out the message kí ni nǹkan àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ṣe tí wọ́n wá rò bóyá pé tí wọ́n wá sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan ní ìsìn máa wá jókòó sí máa wá ní pé àwọn yẹn mo fẹ́ believe ìwọ tó bully ọmọ 12 years ìwọ tó sọ pé ọmọ 12 years wọ́n ṣẹ́yún fún ìwọ tó sọ pé ọmọ 12 years ó ní ìyá ọkọ wọ́n lè jáde orí Facebook náà la wà if I want to look at those people that are giving out the message kí ni mo fẹ́ wá believe nínú nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ń gbé jáde ní ìsìn now if you think that a child ẹni pé èèyàn kan ó bímọ kò gba ọmọ kìíní kan ṣé ẹ ti sọ fún ẹni tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ó jẹ́ bàbá ọmọ yẹn ṣé ó bàbá ọmọ mọ̀ because ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ mo rí pé why can't you do the DNA ta ló fẹ́ ṣe DNA yẹn ṣé Genesis ṣé ó mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ ṣé Genesis ṣé ẹ ti béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣé ẹ ti interview ẹ̀ because ẹ ń kígbe ẹ máa kọ àwọn míì máa ń claim pé àwọn wà ní UK ẹlòmíì máa ń claim pé àwọn kàwé ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń call out pé kí wọ́n ṣe DNA ṣé Genesis mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe because ẹ̀ ń blackmail Genesis ni Genesis yìí lè tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń bully yìí ẹ̀ dẹ̀ ń sọ pé ó yẹ kó wá ṣe DNA wo ṣé ó mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ yìí ṣé ẹ ti pe Genesis fúnra rẹ̀ kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé ẹ ti pe Genesis pé kó wá sọ̀rọ̀ pé okay kó tó wá pé kó wá ṣe àwọn báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe DNA ṣé ó mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ yìí ṣé ẹ ti lọ interview ẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ ṣé ẹ ti lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ before even the first case you brought up the case of Tosin ẹ kígbe pé ó ń deny ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣé ìgbà tí Genesis wá sórí platform tó ń preach ẹ sọ pé Genesis ó ń deny ọmọ ẹ̀ ẹni tó wá ń preach lójoojúmọ́ ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ family ló wá ń sọ ni àbò ń ṣe ministration ṣé tíyàn bá sọ pé ó ní ọmọ kan tẹ́yìn rò pé òkè kò gbà ṣé tó bá wá sórí Facebook tó bá wá ń preach ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yẹn lá máa sọ ni because ẹ wá ń sọ pé ó deny Tosin báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé ó deny Tosin. How do you know? Nígbà tó he's coming up to as in to give her the message he's coming out to preach ṣé kó wá máa sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ni ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ family ẹ̀ ló gbé wá sórí Facebook ní Genesis àwọn máa sọ pé tẹ́fi wá mọ̀ pé kò as in ó ń deny Tosin yẹn it was until they interview him Shinko interview him ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ pé okay ọmọ òun kìíní kan ọmọ òun ni Tosin and you people were shouting pé ó ń deny Tosin mọ nǹkan kan nípa ẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan tó bá ṣàtìgbé wá sórí Facebook ṣá ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa fi sentiment sí you have a female child ṣebí ìwà kìíní you are a mother ṣé ẹ mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ where you there ṣé ẹ wà níbẹ̀ someone is coming up to preach ministration lele is not his family affairs so how do you think that he should come to Facebook kó a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa family ẹ̀ kò tí gbọ́ nǹkan kan lẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀nu Genesis you are just coming up pé ẹni pé ó lọ́mọ obìnrin kan ṣé ẹ ti interview Genesis yẹn and you are calling him out to come and do DNA lórí ọmọ wo ṣé eléyìí tí ó mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ àbí eléyìí tí ẹ ti sọ fún you are shouting go watch a DNA and even now you people if you want him to do this thing eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe yìí now this lady Bisola Dakolo or whatever àwọn victim of rape tá à ń rí they are coming out too they come out live all these people that were involved tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń pariwo pé Genesis ó bímọ 9 ó níyàwó kí ló dé tí àwọn people yẹn kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè wá kí wọ́n interview wọn kí ló dé tí wọn ò lè gbójú wọn jáde? Blackmailing lẹ́ ń ṣe yìí. Why are they as in covering their face? Why are they not coming out? Come out. If they are bold, let them come out. Come and do the interview now. This one is, if I challenge you now, you people will be shouting pé tó bá jáde wọ́n máa pa wọ́n, tó bá jáde. That is bó ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn. Tó bá ti mú yín níbí ẹ máa tú yọ́bọ̀rọ̀. If they are sure of what they are saying, we have police in Nigeria, we have human rights activists in Nigeria. Àwọn tó lè bá yín ṣe, we have seen many cases lórí Facebook. Ṣebí Bùsọ́lá Kolo ìgbà tó gbé ọ̀rọ̀ Fátóyìnbó wá, ṣebí wọ́n gbé placard ní Nigeria. They do rally wọ́n ṣe ní Nigeria. Why can't you, if you are sure of what you are doing and you really mean business, you go to the gate of Genesis now? If you think that Genesis is arrogant, kò fẹ́ gbọ́mọ, go to the door of the church. Wọ́n ní àwọn alàgbàjọ, ẹni ọlọ́pàá Nàìjíríà, ẹni àwọn human rights activists tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ bá láti sọ kéèsì fún, but no, ẹ wá gbé bá àwọn bully bloggers, ẹ ń pè wọ́n ní àwọn bullies, ẹ ń pè wọ́n blogger, and these people that think that they are involved yìí, ẹ tún wá ń gbójú yín jáde, ẹ ń gbójú yín pamọ́. Ṣe come out live, let them interview you. Eléyìí tẹ́ ṣe ẹ ń blackmail ni. You are ṣe bully ni, ẹ ń blackmail ni. If you are sure of what you are doing, come out. Go to Genesis Church. Go to Genesis Church. Àwọn èèyàn, in fact, àwọn èèyàn bá yín dá sí ju bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe yìí lọ. If you are sure of what you are doing, I'm very sure that you are just a blackmailer. Bully man yìí ni èmi o. Ẹlòmíì sọ fún ẹ pé I know Genesis. Màá wá bi ẹ́ pé, do you have personal encounter with Genesis? Me, I don't know Genesis. I don't know him. I've not met him before. I don't have personal encounter with him. But ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ máa kọ́ Genesis is a rapist. I know him. They told me. Do you have personal encounter with her? Someone called me yesterday and that person was me and the person was now talking. Only bye. Mo sọ fún pé àwọn nǹkan tí Bukky sọ, àwọn èèyàn tí Bukky sọ fún, àwọn nǹkan yẹn ni wọ́n sọ ní ìgboro. I don't think many people they have as in personal encounter with Genesis. They are just blackmailers. Nǹkan tó bá ti gbé fún wọn làwọn náà ń gbé kiri. Ẹ rántí pé most ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa àbí ọmọ. If you are thinking that I'm a mother, I have female children, I have male children, I have whatever children. What of you? You don't have female, you don't have male children, you don't have a brother, you don't have a father. Now you are saying that I should be this one. Why are you supporting him? So the whole world should now orchestrate against, so that if Genesis died, then you think that it will solve the problem. Come on. Where you dear? Share any personal encounter pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Àwọn tó dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń give message yìí. Àwọn people tá mọ̀ pé they can go to any length to bully people. They can go to any length to blackmail. Let me tell you something. See, ṣé rí eléyìí tí wọ́n gbé jáde nísìn. Tó bá ti rí pé àwọn nǹkan táwọn ń sọ yìí tí ò bá tún jẹ́ àwọn èèyàn mọ́, they will still go a step further again to go and bring out another want to not conscript me. You just watch the one they will bring out next now. Shebi they have talked about Genesis is a rapist, is a thief. If they see that this one you are saying, tí ó bá tún jẹ́ wọ́n mọ́, wọ́n á tún lọ kọ àwọn scripts me. They are still going to write a lot of scripts because some of them are on my show now. Wọ́n gbọ́ show mi, wọ́n wo àwọn comments, wọ́n wo oríṣiríṣi àwọn kan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. They are following your comments. They have their informants on all platforms following you. See, as in those comments, they are looking at how many people tó ń gba irọ́ wọn. Now later they will go again further to write another script. Somebody go, okay, àwọn bí 80, àwọn bí 20% nìkan mà ló máa gba ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n á tún go further. Somebody pé àwọn èèyàn máa jẹ́ kínní. Wọ́n á tún lọ kọ script mi. They are still going to write a lot of script. Ṣá mọ̀ wọ́n ni, ṣá wọ́n tá mọ̀ ni. Ṣá wọ́n tá ò mọ̀ ni. They are just blackmailer ni wọ́n. A mọ̀ bí tí wọ́n ti originate wá. A mọ̀ àwọn tó train wọn as a blackmailer. A mọ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ló train wọn blackmailer ni wọ́n. That is their work. Ṣé oríṣiríṣi kan la rí ni. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń blackmail Genesis níbo náà ti ṣẹ̀ jáde. níbo náà ti jáde wá? Ta ni ọ̀gá wọn tó kọ́ wọn níṣẹ́ irọ́ yìí? Ta ló kọ́ wọn tó ṣe ń blackmail? Iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe? Iṣẹ́ wo l'Esabod ń ṣe? Ṣebí Esabod ṣebí blackmailer ni? And that is where they are from. That is where they are from. Ibi tí nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe nìyẹn. Oh, look at all what they are doing. Èmi títí this thing, I've not seen any evidence, because I know most of these pictures they are bringing out, I know it's Photoshop. Mo mọ̀ pé wọ́n lọ ń try láti máa dọ́tọ̀ ẹ̀ jáde ni for them to blackmail this man. Kò síṣẹ́ méjì mọ́. And I'm not saying baby Genesis is perfect. Why will I say it's perfect? Am I perfect? Ṣé mo bá mọ lọ́wọ́? Ṣé ó ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi rí? Ṣé ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi rí? Ṣé ó ṣe fún mi rí? These people are just blackmailer ni wọ́n, blackmailer ni wọ́n. You will see next week now. You will see what they will bring out. They will still bring more. They still have a lot of scripts. They are going about looking at how many people are going along with them. As in àwọn tó ń jẹ àwọn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ wọn yìí. So they will be going a step further. Most of us will be writing, ṣé àwa ń bẹ̀? Are we there? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn pastors, ṣe bí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló wà lórí Facebook yìí? Ṣé kò sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pastor tó wà lórí Facebook ni? Ṣé àárí wọn ni? Ṣé àárí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ pastors, àwọn pastors tó ní church, èwo ló mọ́ nínú wọn? If you people are saying that pé kíní kan, èwo ló lè sọ èwo ni kò máa ṣèṣekúṣe nínú wọn? Mi sọ pé gbogbo wọn ni o, mi ní gbogbo wọn ló ń ṣe o. Mi ò sọ pé gbogbo wọn, but àwọn tó ń pè bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ ni pé àgbà kìíní àgbàṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ yìí. People should stop being and you are you have a female children, you have a kí ni nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ. If they say pé ẹni yìí Genesis obìnrin kan bímọ fún Genesis, and all these things they are saying, they say 20-something years ago, in the past, if you have a child for him, why is Genesis show more? Ṣé Genesis mọ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ yìí? Ṣó mọ̀ nípa story tí wọ́n gbé jáde yìí? Ṣé ẹ ti lọ sọ fún ṣe lọ sọ fún ọlọ́pàá? Ṣe lọ sọ fún àwọn human rights activists? Kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé orí Facebook ló ń wá? And this Bukky Jesse yìí, ṣebí Bukky Jesse ṣebí ìgbà tí Bukky Jesse wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ti this Fatoyinbo yìí, Bukky Jesse as in will be coming out on defend man. Even when they were doing rally in Lagos, Bukky Jesse came out in support of Fatoyinbo. Even despite the fact that wọ́n jáde wọ́n ṣe rally o, and even ẹni tó wà involved gangan ó tún jáde, Bukky tún support it. How much more? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń blackmail, and you are saying you be going about pé kí èèyàn má support sí ẹ. Ṣé most of why ṣé a ní personal encounter pẹ̀lú Genesis? Èwo ló lè sọ pé ẹ má sàsọ́nà fake profile? Ẹ jáde, ẹ má wà nínú òkùnkùn. Come out if you are tí yàn bá ní case, you will come out and be bold to say Genesis, tell that Genesis to face, bring out your real face gangan and say this is what you have done. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ a máa kọ Genesis, I know him, he rape. Genesis, I know him, he do people. Genesis, I know him, he's committing whatever. Bring out your face, right? Come out and say boldly that you are the one that Genesis did that to. Kí ló dé tẹ́ lè jáde? Kí ló dé tí ẹ ò lè jáde fún ara yín? Èmi ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ṣé ẹ rí ẹ̀yin obìnrin? Mo ti sọ pé ẹ̀yin yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ máa ń gbé òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ṣubú. Tí òjíṣẹ́ let me read this man. This is Genesis personal life that does not belong on Facebook. God bless you. God bless you. You are claiming that Genesis is not a man of God. This one is personal life fún ẹni. Kó tó ní kí mo gbàgbé, mo ń sọ pé ẹ̀yin obìnrin pé ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ máa ń gbé òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ṣubú. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ ní ọkọ sílé, ìṣekúṣe lẹ máa ṣe káàkiri ṣoṣoṣoṣoṣo, and you be saying if someone is not married, ó lè sọ pé okay, you don't know who you can eventually get married to later, but ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì àti marry ẹ máa ṣèṣekúṣe káàkiri, máa tẹ̀lé àwọn ọkùnrin, máa ṣe ṣoṣoṣo káàkiri. Most of yín ẹ̀yin lẹ ń gbé ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run ṣubú. Tí mo yẹ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ ń gbà kan pé tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ kí lẹ̀ ń wá káàkiri. Ẹ máa pariwo pé wọ́n rape yín. You will see them and write then Genesis is a rapist. Ṣó rape ọmọ yín rí? ṣé ó rape ọmọ yín rí? Evidence, bring out your real face. Come out to go out. Shebi you see rape victim now, you see them, they came out. Look at Shebi Busola Dakolo came out. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn there's a woman on Facebook, àwọn group of human rights activists kan, we have brekete wọn ò ṣe jáde wá. Ṣé Genesis ojú law ní Nàìjíríà lọ ni? Is it untouchable? It's not untouchable. Go and do rally in Nigeria. If you know what you are saying is truth, if you know you have evidence of what you are saying, go and do rally in Nigeria. Don't hide under fake profile. Kẹ́ máa bà èèyàn jẹ́, kẹ́ máa defame character àwọn èèyàn. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní ẹlòmíì àpèlè. Ó rí Genesis, ó rí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú ṣe bá ṣé ó ṣe fún ẹ ìbàjẹ́ ṣá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ dẹ̀ ní ọmọkùnrin, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́ lọ́mọbìnrin, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní àwọn àbúrò. Ẹ máa sá sọ́ndà fake profile. Àbí àwọn míì tó ń lórí profile wọn. Ìbàjẹ́ ìṣá ó ní wọ́n mọ̀. Ìbàjẹ́ ni wọ́n mọ̀. Ọmọ Genesis yẹn is not a say yes o yes he did it, maybe he did it. Were you there? Ṣé o mọ̀ àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń sọ tí wọ́n allege máa yìí pé ó ṣe kí ló dé tí wọ́n ò gbójú wọn jáde? Aláwọn tó ń ṣe láì àwọn tó ń gbójú wọn tó fi ṣe ṣebí àwọn tó ń ṣe show yìí àwọn míì tó lọ pé àwọn jẹ́ blogger ṣebí wọ́n ń gbójú wọn jáde. Wọn ò ṣe gbé victim wọn wá kó wá jáde live kó wá ṣe show. Why can't these people bring out their victim? Ṣé wọ́n tún máa mú wọn ni? Tí wọ́n bá challenge yín pé wọn ò ṣe jáde wá ẹ máa ní Genesis is a kidnapper, he will kidnap them in Nigeria, he will kill them because blackmailer nìyí, onírọ́ nìyí, olè. Ìgbà tẹ́lẹ̀ máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀tàn ẹni ẹ jẹ́ ká contribute fún ẹni yẹn. Ṣé contribution lẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún ẹni yẹn? Ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ń ṣe ó mì pé ẹ blackmail ni now? So the contribution you are making and you are doing at the end of the day for that person, so ṣé ó ti fi ra ọmọ yẹn ni? Ṣé kí ni ìtumọ̀ contributor tẹ́ ṣe yẹn lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ? After which you have come to as in to defame that man's character pé ó bímọ ó ní ọmọ kan ó jẹ́ kíní kan bólúwa ti fẹ́, and at the end of the day ẹ sọ pé owó wo lẹ ń contribute fẹ́ nínú owó kíni? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ owó tẹ́ ń contribute fún ẹni náà? After which you have said kíní kan Genesis ò gbọ́ ọmọ, owó tẹ́ ń contribute kí ló owó yẹn wà fún? Olè níyìn, olè níyìn, owó lẹ ń contribute fún. Owó lẹ ń contribute fún ẹni yẹn. Kí lẹ contribute fẹ́ pé ṣe bí I have a female children? Ṣé wọ́n ṣe case nìyẹn? If I have a female children, if such a thing to happen tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ ni, ṣé màá wá lọ mi ò ṣe lọ bá bàbá ọmọ gangan? Ṣé kò sí àwọn tí mo lè gbé ẹjọ́ yẹn lọ bá? Ṣé orí Facebook àbí àwọn yẹn ló máa dá ẹjọ́ yẹn? Ṣé àwọn ló máa gba ọmọ yẹn? Ṣé àwọn ló máa ṣe DNA fún ọmọ? Ṣé òun ló máa ṣe bàbá? Ṣé àwọn kan tẹ́ ṣe yẹn ṣé òun ló máa ṣe? Ṣé àwọn Genesis ṣé wọn ní àgbà nínú ìjọ? Ṣé kò sí àwọn officers ọlọ́pàá ní Nàìjíríà? Ṣé kò sí àwọn human rights activists tẹ́ lè gbé ẹjọ́ yẹn fún ní Nàìjíríà, the whole Nàìjíríà? Ṣé Genesis jẹ́ ẹni tí wọ́n lè ṣe is he untouchable? So Genesis ti ní agbára débi pé if you think that you want to bring out that case, you want to take him to the station, then he will do what? Come on, help me pé irọ́ dẹ̀ ń pa now ẹ kàn fẹ́ blackmail máa yẹn ni. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ ṣe gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ ṣe gbé kéèsì yẹn? Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé orí Facebook lẹ ń wá lẹ gbé kéèsì yẹn wá láti máa blackmail ọkùnrin yẹn. Why can't you take that case to? We have people that I trust, some people, human rights activists in Nigeria, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn, they will handle that case. Eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ ṣe, don't hide under fake profile àbí kẹ́ máa ṣe àwọn kan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Be bold to come out with your real face pé Genesis, this is what you have done. Blackmailer ló ń ṣe nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Blackmailer, iṣẹ́ blackmailer nìyẹn. You hide under a fake profile, you hide under the curtain to do your evil work, tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Be able to come out now. Àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ dẹ̀ ń dá yìí, àwọn tẹ́ máa lọ record ohun wọn yìí, ẹ gbé orúkọ wọn jáde. Even though you think that okay, wọn kò má bully wọn lórí Facebook o, ẹ lọ fi ẹjọ́ wọn sùn. Even till now, we have not seen. Go and report Genesis instead of you coming on Facebook to blackmail him. Go and report Genesis in Nigeria. they are kò sí bí Nigeria àti rí àwọn, even though we think that Nigeria is corrupt, we have seen a lot of good works they've done in Nigeria. We have seen a lot of good ẹ̀mẹ́yẹ àwọn cases na ta máa rí dé pé tó máa gbé cases yẹn wá a máa rí pé at the end of the day wọ́n máa handle ẹ̀ lọ sọ́dọ̀ Brekete ó máa bá yín handle ẹ̀. Stop defaming this man character. Blackmailer ni, bully ni yín, bully ni yín, níṣẹ́ méjì kan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe. Stop defaming. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ ò dé èmi ò mo sì ń sọ pé èmi ò tí ì rí point tẹ́ gbé jáde. I'm a mother. Yes, I have female children. Tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀, this is not the way I would do. This is not what I would do. I will go to the authority. I will report the case. I will Genesis ó ní àwọn tó yẹ pé ó lè tí èèyàn lè gbé ẹjọ́ yẹn lọ bá. Let me read this comment. Thank you, my sister. Ọlọ́run ò ní pa làákàyè yín. Thank you. Why are all these victims ghosts? Abio, if all the allegations are correct and they have their evidence, the victims should bring out their faces. This is nothing but a pure blackmailer ni. I'm telling you, blackmailing ni. If it's true, they should bring out their face. Kí ló dé? Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ I know Genesis. Genesis is a rapist. Were you there? Can you be bold to bring out your face? Can you be bold to write it with your real profile? Pé Genesis is a rapist. Which evidence? Kí lẹ ní? Ṣe gbé jáde. Ṣe gbójú yín jáde kẹ́ wá. Ẹ má jẹ́ abaniláyé jẹ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́ wà lọ́nà fake profile kẹ́ má bàyàn láyé jẹ́. Tẹ́ bá ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kan báyìí. Tí kì í ní ìrònú méjì. Ẹ máa gbé ní pọ́nkán. Yes, he's a rapist. He's a kìnnìkan. Ẹ ti kúrò lórí pé Genesis is duping people. Because àwọn èèyàn ti sọ fún yín pé if you are giving money in the church, who force you to give money? Who force you to give money? Nobody is forcing anybody to give money. When you go to church, you give. Nobody will come and hold your shut up. Pẹ̀lú pé ẹ máa sọ pé wọ́n lo kíní fún yín. If tẹ́ bá fall victim nìyẹn. Nobody kò sí. I go to church. That is not my church. Nobody has forced me to go and give money that I don't have. Now ẹ ti kúrò lórí pé Genesis dupe. Because ẹ rí ọ̀rọ̀ sọ, ẹ ò rí evidence, ẹ ò rí nǹkankan. Now ẹ ti shift say pé is a rapist. Ẹ tún shift sí orí pé is a rapist yẹn. Wọ́n tún ra yín gbá. Ẹ ò tún rí evidence. Ẹ wá shift pé Genesis have children. Èdè náà kò gbọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀. You have to go and do DNA. Ẹ tún ti tó bá tún wá rí pé wọ́n tún wá mú yín. Wọ́n bá rí pé òyìn ò tún jẹ́ àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ máa tún lọ tú another script kọ́. Because ẹ bẹ́ ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹ máa ń lọ káàkiri ni láti máa wò. Ṣé àwọn yẹn kí ló dé tí wọ́n jáde? Kí ló dé tí ẹni tí ó sọ pé Genesis òun lóyún fún yẹn? Kí ló dé tí ò lè gbójú ẹ̀ kó wà bold? Kí wọ́n interview ẹ̀ live kó gbójú jáde? Kí ló ń bà lẹ́rù? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń ba ẹni náà lẹ́rù tí ò lè gbé ojú ẹ̀ jáde? If they talk, you will say it's because they can kidnap wo. Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? Ṣé kò sí àwọn èèyàn Nàìjíríà? Ṣé Genesis gímbo ló lágbára débi pé ẹrù bóyá ó lè kidnap? You should people ẹ má bẹ ọ̀tẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. I can't just stand àwọn mi ẹ máa kọ jágajàga káàkiri. Why are you supporting? Kìnnìkan you have a symmetry there. Ọlọ́run á gbà wá. Ẹ máa àwọn kìnnìgbà mi máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀. But thank God, everybody has mind of his or her own. Thank God that my sanity is still intact. Orí mi ọpọlọ mi ò dàrú láti mọ̀ pé àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ń kọ yìí blackmailing ni. Blackmail máa yìí ni. Shift lórí pé is duping people. Shift lórí pé orí Tosin. Shift. Bọ́ sórí pé is a rapist. Now ẹ ti kúrò lórí rapist nísìn. Ẹ tún bọ́ sí pé Genesis have to do DNA. He has to do. I pity kíni. Èmi tó pé in fact mo máa ń wà quick as emotionally whatever tó pé tí n bá gbọ́ nǹkan kan but àwọn nǹkan míì tí n bá gbọ́ tí mo máa mọ̀ pé irọ́ ni mi ò ní any sympathy fún nǹkan kan. Ẹ gbàgbé I have female children. Kò sí empathy tí mo fẹ́ ní fún nǹkan kan. Kò sí nǹkan tí mo ń gbọ́ because by the time tí mo bá gbọ́ I know pé this one that is coming out ṣé irọ́ ni àbí òótọ́ mo ti mọ̀. Let me read this comment. My ex-mother-in-law has bullied very well. Why are they bullying this man? Why are they complaining about his personal life? If him like make he get 500 children, wetin be their business? Abeg make them go sleep joor. Enyo, God will help and protect him. If I was Genesis, I will deal squarely with Bukky Bisi. You see? why tí wọn gbójú wọn jáde why àwọn èèyàn ò fẹ́ gbọ́ yẹn tó bá ti gbọ́ pé kinní kan ó fi hàn pé because of sentiment wọ́n á ti gbé sí gidi ìyẹn gangan ló àwọn míì kò sí nǹkan tó concern wọn tó bá ti gbọ́ go báyìí wọn ò ní mind of their own láti sọ pé okay this thing no tí mò ń gbọ́ yìí forget about that maybe because it's Bukky it's not because it's Bukky it's because ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń gbọ́ yìí ṣé bó ṣe ń jáde ṣé ọpọlọ ṣé mi ò rò ni it's not adding up because a ti rí àwọn steps tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń gbé a ti rí àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ ẹ ti kọ́kọ́ gbé kan wá kò jẹ́ àwọn èèyàn ẹ tún gbé míì wá kò tún jẹ́ àwọn èèyàn ẹ kàn ń gbé jáde ẹ ń gbé jáde ni ẹ ń gbé jáde if there something happen tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ the first thing you bring out àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ pé this one is coming out but the nǹkan tẹ́tí kọ́kọ́ fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ tí ó ti mọ̀ pé blackmailer Bukky nìsí kí ni motive that is the question they are asking Bukky kí ni motive Bukky gangan kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan what is your own kí ni Genesis ṣe fún Bukky because this case now you are saying kíní kan ó ti bà gbogbo ayé èèyàn jẹ́ kí ló ṣe fún ẹ gangan Bukky Jesse kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe fún ẹ kí ló dé láti jọjọ ṣó o fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé gbogbo àwọn kan tó ń sọ yìí ṣó o mọ̀ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣó o mọ̀ kí ni ti tiẹ̀ gangan Bukky Jesse kí ló kún ẹ gangan this has nothing to do with AJTimo I am èmi gangan ni mò ń sọ awareness ni anybody can see anybody can only discuss ó wà lórí Facebook kí ni ti Bukky gangan kí ni motive kí ni Bukky ń wá káàkiri and if you hear Bukky nǹkan tó máa ń sọ á sọ pé Genesis ó tún jáde that means Genesis coming out every day is a tons ní bone ní Bukky he don't want that man to exist he don't want kò fẹ́ rí máa yẹn mọ́ Bukky personal kíní ni kò ní nǹkan kan tó ṣe because all this while going to 3 years that Bukky knew Genesis all this while Genesis has been àmà tí ìgbọ́rú àwọn nǹkan yìí àmà even àwọn tó ń blog Genesis gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ àmà gbọ́ lórí Facebook àmà rí ẹnìkankan tó gbé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá tẹ́lẹ̀ we have not seen anybody brought out these cases pé Genesis bímọ ó bímọ kò lọ́mọ because àwọn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ bẹ̀ sí máa as in máa stage àwọn show yìí ni àmà rí àwọn kan báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀ àmà gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ but ní ìsìn báyìí a ti bẹ̀ sí ń gbọ́ because of Bukky Jesse but now that just the 3 years tí Bukky fi mọ Genesis ni Bukky máa ti mọ gbogbo àwọn story yìí ìgbà tí Bukky mọ Genesis just 3 years ago òun ni Bukky ní gbogbo àwọn and if you see Bukky ṣé rí ẹjọ́ nítorí ọlọ́jẹ́ ká máa wò I'm not saying you support if you like don't support him if you like support him Ọlọ́run ló ń jẹ́ ògbèjà kẹ́rù òbóníjà. If all the whole world, if people are orchestrating all the whole world to be against Genesis, one God that is supreme, also pass gbogbo àgbáyé, òun ló dé èèyàn, òun ló dé mi ló dá yín. If you like it, he said it doesn't even matter. If you like, don't support him. Even though, let me tell you something, even though Genesis tó bá ṣe àwọn nǹkan tó ṣe, do you think God will forsake him? Ẹ ti ẹ̀gbọ́n náà. Do you think God will destroy him? Ejo, go and read your Bible. It's because most of you don't read your Bible. I've told you before, go and look the case of Paul the Apostle. He was one of those people that persecute Christianity. Ó fi ojú Christian, ó fi rí ṣẹ́gẹ̀ nínú Bible. Go and look your Bible today. Tí wọ́n tó bá ń ka Bible, you will see the great work that Paul the Apostle tó ṣe nínú Bible. Go and see the people tó yẹ pé wọ́n ṣe àìmọye. Go and see. Do you think God will be against him? Do you think God will? You don't. Go and read your Bible, my people. Go and look who. You don't know who God. Sherry, he did it one day gangan. Ọlọ́run àwa fi sọ pé àwa fi àjùlọ hàn gbogbo ẹ̀yin. You will see what will happen today. You will see what will happen. Lórí Facebook yìí tí mo máa ń sọ kíní kan pé àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ pé tí ò bá tí fulfill lé ayé gbogbo àwọn people tó ń bully àwọn èèyàn yìí, Facebook yìí ò ní tán. Tí àwọn people tó jẹ́ pé bully blackmailer ni wọ́n, tí àwọn nǹkan kan tí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ò bá ṣẹ nínú ayé wọn, tí Ọlọ́run ò bá fi wọ́n dá àrà kan, Facebook ó dìgbà tí wọ́n bá ṣe ẹ̀sìn tí Ọlọ́run dá àrà sí ayé wọn kí Facebook yìí tó tán. God have to expose them and make àfi wọ́n á dá àrà lórí Facebook yìí á yà àwọn èèyàn lẹ́nu. You think that if the whole world is a rapist, kí ló kan Ọlọ́run? even though he did it before, if because I'm not saying even though if he did it maybe before he got married, if at all, or whatever allegation you are laying against him, if at all he did it, do you know maybe he has settled it with God? Come on, you people. You know maybe Genesis has settled that or with God. I'm about to settle it. But you people, you are there shouting, he's a kinika, he's a rapist, and pariwo. Maybe he has settled that with God, and Lord Olorun is a righteous man. And but to you think he's not a good man. Do you think in fact, if God were man, if men were God, kí ni ayé yóò bá ti jẹ́ ìwọ àbí èmi, ṣé ibi la máa wà? Àwọn tó mọ bó ṣe ń dá ẹjọ́ fúnyàn, àwọn tó jẹ́ pé Judge Judy, if you look at their own life, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ bó ṣe máa ń dá ẹjọ́ yìí, tí wọ́n mọ bó ṣe máa ń comment pé eléyìí, this person, go and settle with God, go and repent. Àwọn gangan look at their life, ayé wọn, in fact, if you look at these people life, you will see even Genesis life is better than life, and because they are under fake profile, or because they are using their real profile, you think that if you look at their life, messed up due to Genesis law, and they'll be writing, you have to forgive, you have to go and ask for forgiveness, Genesis is a rapist, and you think, and when you look at their life, it's so messed up. You think if God were to buy Ọlọ́run jẹ́ èèyàn, kí ni ayé mi àti ìwọ ò bá ti rí? If at all, if Genesis tó bá ṣe nǹkan tó ṣe, do you know maybe he has settled with God, and you are there? Wo nǹkan tí ojú ẹlòmíì àrí mo ti sọ, mo tún sọ àwọn nǹkan kan tí ò bá wà fulfilled before this Facebook, ó máa wà fulfilled ṣáá ni, ó máa wà fulfilled ṣáá ni. Àwọn èèyàn kan they cannot escape God's judgment. They escape the cane of God. The likes of these people don't bully àwọn èèyàn. Do you think they will just no? Because nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe ó yàmà jù. Let me read this comment. If God can forgive Bukky Jesse for trying to kill or wipe out a whole generation, who is she to judge anybody in her entire life? Don't mind that. Ẹ má dá lóhùn. Look, Bukky Jesse tó ń sọ̀rọ̀, tó ń kígbe, tó ń ṣe gbogbo kínní. Ṣé wá rí nǹkan kan tó máa ń wà? Now, when Bukky was supporting this Fatoyinbo, ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ Facebook yìí? Àwọn àgbàlagbà kan wà, àwọn ọmọdé kan wà, àwọn whatever wà. Now if you tell them pé why did you do this thing, they will say ó ní kí n ṣe ni, and that is so funny. You will see 45 years old Bukky Jesse, 44 years then, 44 years bó ṣe kó gbogbo bó ṣe dàgbà yẹn, when she was supporting, when Bukky Jesse was with Genesis, and when he was bullying, because mi ò rí pé support tó ń mi ò rí pé support kìíní tó ń bully Busola Dakolo, this lady that Busola yẹn tó ń bully and ìgbà táwọn èèyàn wá ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Bukky Jesse nísì kí ló sọ, ó ní Genesis ló ní kó ń sọ kó ń lọ ṣe show yẹn. Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ? Ìgbà tí Bukky Jesse tó ń ṣe show yẹn, ó ní Genesis ló sọ pé kó ń support yẹ. And it amazes you pé wàá rí àwọn àgbàlagbà wọn ní olóníkì but ní ìsìnkán a sọ pé ó hypnotize òun ni, ó lògùn fún òun, and you will laugh pé at this people age you will see them 40-something years wọ́n máa sọ pé ó ní kí n ṣe ni, òun ló fún mi kí n ṣe, and now look at them, they will be wọ́n máa pariwo, and then wọ́n máa sọ pé wọ́n ní kí n ṣe ni. What happened to their brain now? What happened? Kí ló ṣe brain wọn? Because blackmailer ni wọ́n, iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe nìyẹn. You will still see a lot of script o, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ script lẹ máa rí. They will still write a lot of scripts. Wọ́n sì máa kọ script tó máa rí pé léètè àwọn ṣe tí ò bá jẹ yín, wọ́n á tún kọ nǹkan míì, wọ́n á tún gbé àwọn nǹkan míì jáde. Báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀? Àwọn cases tí wọ́n gbé jáde, kí ló dé tí wọn ò lè lọ fẹjọ́ sùn ọlọ́pàá? Why can't they involve the police? Why can't they involve human rights activists? Wọ́n pọ̀ ní Nigeria. Why if they think that if we do all these things, the solution as in wọ́n lè rí solution. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ lè rally kí wọ́n lọ sí church Genesis? ṣebí tó bá tó máa lọ lọ́sàn-án ṣebí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn á rí wọn. Why are they hiding under fake profile? Why are they hiding their face? Why can't they be bold to bring out their face? Why can't they bring out the mother? Àbí àwọn èèyàn yìí kí ló dé tí wọn ò lè jáde? Àwọn tó lè ṣe live interview fún wọn kí wọ́n gbé jáde. Why are they hiding? It's because they are blackmailing this man. Kò sí nǹkan míì tó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Because why can't they bring their face? Kí ló dé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń blọ́ọ̀gì mo mọ̀ pé most of them àwọn tó wà lórí àwọn míì ń gbọ́ mi àwọn míì àdẹ̀ ti lọ informant wà tá gbé fún wọn. Kí ló dé tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín blackmailer yìí? Kí ló dé àwọn victim yín? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀ gbé wọn jáde? Kí ló dé tí mo mọ̀ I know they will respond to my show wọ́n máa respond sí. Kí ló dé tí ẹ̀ gbé àwọn victim yín wá? Kí ló tí wọ́n lè ṣe live show? Kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè gbójú wọn jáde? Kí ló dé? And they will answer you pé it's because they are afraid of their life. Come on, it's because there's no life tó ń afraid níbẹ̀. Kò sí life tó ń afraid. Kò èmi ò rò bóyá pé Genesis ó wá ní agbára ní Nigeria, the whole Nigeria. If most of the victims and we have most victims that have come out kò sí nǹkan tó ṣe wọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa ṣe ọ̀tẹ̀. Because I know the next thing you people àwọn míì á sọ ni pé it's because they are afraid of their life. Their life will be in danger. Come on, which life will be in danger? Which life ló fẹ́ wà in danger? There's no life in danger. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ẹ̀ àlejò máa yìí pé ó bá sùn. Some people will ask me why are you supporting? Why do you think pé kò ṣe? Why won't I think pé kò ṣe? Why do you think? What evidence do you have pé ó ṣe? Why? Ṣé àwọn tí wọ́n ń gbé jáde ṣé wọ́n ṣe gbé ojú wọn jáde? That is the question tẹ́mi ń béèrè. Why are they not bold? Why are they not bold to bring out their face? Why are they not bold to face as in tí wọ́n gbójú wọn jáde kí wọ́n dẹ̀ lánàá ìgbà tí ẹ náà dárúkọ ó lóun jẹ́ Fúnmiláyọ̀ kí ló dé tí ò lè dárúkọ kó sọ pé báyìí kó sọ kí wọ́n wà bòdì kí wọ́n gbójú jáde kí ló dé? Why? And you bring out, let me tell you something, I can still tell you pé eléyìí tí wọ́n tún gbé jáde yẹn ẹni tí wọ́n gbé jáde mo fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé wọ́n lè these people you don't know what they can do. They can go and rent people. Ṣebí Nigeria ni. They can pay people that to as in ẹni tí wọ́n gbé jáde yẹn wọ́n lè ọmọ yẹn tí wọ́n gbé jáde mi ò lè gbàgbọ́. Because ẹlòmíì sọ pé ọmọ yẹn jọ Genesis is because that Tosin of a boy that they brought out wọ́n rí pé ó jọ Tosin and these people wọ́n lọ stage àwọn show. I can tell you pé àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe wọ́n stage yẹn ni confirm even that child mo lè sọ fún yín pé wọ́n stage yẹn ni because they just want to àwọn tí wọ́n sọ yẹn àwọn tó ní ó ṣe jẹ́ pé ọmọ tí wọ́n gbé jáde wọ́n ò ṣe gbé ìyá ó ṣe jẹ́ pé ọmọ ni wọ́n gbójú ẹ̀ jáde ìgbà Tosin ni wọ́n gbójú ẹ̀ jáde kí ló dé tí àwọn ìyá gangan ò gbójú wọn jáde? Why are you bringing out the face of the children? Because you know the first game you play you brought out the face of Tosin because Tosin look alike with his father. Now you are bringing out another face of why can't you put the picture of the mother? Why can't you put the picture of the mother tí Genesis yẹn gangan bá sùn? Why are you bringing out those children? Do you think you are passing the message? Because why? Kí ló ṣe pé ọmọ lẹ ń gbé jáde? Àwọn ọmọ lẹ ń gbé jáde. Ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ ni pé àwọn ọmọ yẹn ẹ fẹ́ mọ̀ máa ṣé you think you are ṣé àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ẹ̀rọ right? Why can't you bring out the children? The mother. Why can't you bring out the mother, the face of those mothers tó ní ọmọ àwọn ìyá ọlọ́mọ kí ló dé tẹ́ gbójú wọn jáde? Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé the first game tẹ́ play ẹ ti rí i pé ọmọ yẹn tó sì yẹn ó jọ dádì ẹ tún wá rí strategize ẹ tún gbé ojú mi jáde pé òkè o ọmọ yìí because ẹ rò bóyá ó tún jọ máa yẹn ó tún jọ ẹ ti lọ wá ojú ẹ stage show yẹn ni and àṣírí sì máa tú because face yìí kò ní lọ tí àṣírí yín ò bá tú. Why tẹ́ ẹ lè gbé ojú àwọn ìyá jáde ẹni tí Genesis bá sùn àwọn ìyá ọmọ tó ní ọmọ láti ṣe DNA àbí DNA ẹ ṣe gbé ojú àwọn ìyá jáde kí ló dé tí àwọn ìyá yẹn ò lè wà bold nígbà tí ò ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ń sọ àrùn àwọn ọmọ yín ẹni pé bàbá ẹ̀ pé òkè bàbá ọlọ́mọ ò gbọ́ ọmọ kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè wà bold láti wá confront ẹni tó fún yín lóyún kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń sá pamọ́? Why are you hiding your face? Why can't you be bold to face the father of the children, the father of those children, the father of the ọmọ tẹ́lẹ̀ bí láti challenge ẹ̀ pé Genesis o ìwọ ló ní ọmọ yìí? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ gbé ọ? Kí ló dé tí ìyá yẹn ò lè jáde? Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé ojú àwọn ọmọ lẹ̀ ń gbé jáde blackmailer ni. And at the end of the day that after everything you say they should contribute money. Which money are they contributing for you after you've staged that show and after all your sympathy staging show gbogbo àwọn àràbùtẹ̀ ra yẹn ó lè ní ẹ wá fẹ́ gba owó? Kí ló dé tí ẹ fi gbé ìyá? Kí ló dé tí ẹ fi ń gbé picture àwọn ọmọ? Kí ló dé tí ẹ fi gbé picture ìyá? Ìyá ló yẹ kẹ́ gbé picture ẹ̀ náà, kí ló dé fi ń gbé tọmọ? Kí ló dé tẹ́ fi ń gbé picture ọmọ? Ẹ ṣe gbé tìyá jáde ìyá ọmọ gangan. Ṣebí ìyá ọmọ ló yẹ kó wà bold, kó yẹ kó ju ẹ̀ jáde. Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé ọmọ lẹ̀ ń gbé jáde. Come on, blackmailer ni olè níyín, olè bully níyín. Kí ló dé ẹ ṣe gbé ìyá jáde? Why are you hiding the mother and you are bringing out the face of the children? Why? Okay, now let's say bóyá ọmọ so victimize ọmọ lẹ fẹ́ kó máa gbé káàkiri. Ṣé ọmọ ló yẹ kó face bullying? Ṣé ọmọ ló yẹ kẹ́ victimize? Ṣé ọmọ ló yẹ kẹ́ depress? Ẹ ṣe gbé ìyá tó lọ́mọ jáde. Kí ló dé tí ìyá ọmọ jáde? And people will say, so what are we saying? The mission of Bukky is to cause global scandal for Genesis. Oh my, yes, that is you get it exactly. Nǹkan tí Bukky ń wá nìyẹn. Let me tell you what Bukky is looking for. Bukky fẹ́ kí máa yẹn, ó fẹ́ kí church máa yẹn kó close down. Bukky wants that marriage of that man to crash. Bukky wants that church to crash. That is wickedness. And the case here is not because of I don't have problem with why will I have problem with her? But Bukky Jesse, she wants that marriage of Genesis to crash. And Bukky Jesse wants the church to be closed down. Bukky Jesse don't want to go very Genesis more. That is why you see Bukky Jesse is pained. And Bukky Jesse will use language like ó ṣe ń lo agídí a ṣe ń bá sọ. Genesis is so arrogant. He does ó ti wà arrogant jù, ó ti proud jù. Why won't he be proud? Why won't he be bold? Why won't he be bold like a lion to come out again and again and again and again to continue his work? Why do you want him to be intimidated? Why do you want to bully him? Why do you want to threaten him? Continue doing what you are doing, and he will be coming and telling you that hundreds of you, millions of you, the whole world, when you go against him, he has God. Yes. If you think that you are coming, you want to bring the whole world against him. If you think that you can be coming out with your Arabu and coming out with staging whatever you want to do, and you think that you are still coming out Genesis, you are arrogant. Instead of you, and I will hear language like you're supposed to come and seek for forgiveness. Forgiveness to who? You or to God? He owes God. If at all he did whatever he did, he owes God explanation. He owes God only forgiveness. If you don't know. And you will hear language like, and he's still arrogant, and he's still coming out for atomic prayer. Why won't he come out a million times again to come and praises? Because he knows that praises will pull down your chamber. Praises will pull down all your wall. They build against him. Do you think you want to intimidate the work of God? You want him to close down. You want his marriage to crash. That is Bukky Jesse's àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn bullies. That is what, and you will hear them saying that ó tún jáde ọkùnrin yẹn kò tiẹ̀ fàtì kò yẹ kó máa jáde o ó yẹ kó ojú ti kíni. Ṣé Fatoyinbo ò jáde ni? After even Fatoyinbo that Busola came out, ṣebẹ́yìn ògbójú jáde, ṣebẹ́yìn tún sá Sunday cutting and bully and blackmail ẹni, ṣebí Dakolo Busola jáde now. She came out and they even did rally in Nigeria. But Fatoyinbo is still, I'm not supporting because me Mobi yẹn ṣeré. mi ò mọ case Fatoyinbo yẹn but nǹkan tí mò ń sọ jáde fún yín ni pé ṣebí Fatoyinbo tún jáde how much more eléyìí tẹ́yìn ṣe tẹ́ wà London cover eléyìí tẹ́yìn ṣe tẹ́ ò gbójú yín jáde and you want him to be intimidated, you want him to close down, you want his marriage to crash. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I'm telling you today that let me tell you something. Èèyàn tí Ọlọ́run ò bá you people continue and it will continue to come out again. I love that part. More like a party when he come out to give praises, when he give praises and all the Jericho, God will pull you down and into your face you will see what will happen. Genesis what and you is that awareness none here? And you are giving awareness and you are saying that Genesis are sharing awareness and you are saying Genesis ojú ti kíni ẹ̀yin fúnra yín tẹ́ ń sọ are you saint? That is their mission not to come. God bless you Aduni Okikiola. Their mission is for him not to come out again. Yet language one now you will be hearing and you are still coming out. And you are still coming out. This man is so arrogant. This man, because that is their work. Iṣẹ́ wọn nìyẹn. Bully ni wọ́n. They do something to intimidate you. They want to threaten you not to come out again. They want to shut you. They want to talk. And even those people that support, those people that are coming out to say, to defend this man, to analyze, so it could make sense. And they are still going after them. That is how bullies work. They don't want you to talk. They want only them. They want their voices to be heard. That is what bully does. They want their own voices to be heard. They don't want you to say, want their voices, go body voice here. And let me tell you, if the whole world be against him, the whole world bow against him, Ọlọ́run ńkọ́? Have you forgotten? Ọlọ́run ńkọ́? Do you think God will forsake him? Do you think God will join forces with you and destroy him and forsake him? Kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ now. Kò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀. And let me tell you, sọ fún ẹ̀yin obìnrin, ẹ para yín mọ́. Especially you people that are married. Stop rubbish, stop nonsense. If you are married, stick to your husband. And even though you are not married, must you become dogs? And you will see these people that is don't castigate if you hear their stories. People that man go on Facebook, most of them, their story is so onyama, and they will be the one gone. They know how to do it. When they have dirty stories, if you check them, if they tell you about some people's life, you will see their story onyama, and they will be the one first people to cast that stone. You will see them right there. You have to go and do DNA, and you'll be shouting. You have to go and do DNA. I beg AJT, let Genesis carry his cross because it was. Please don't write that. Please, I don't want to be seeing all these comments. Please, I beg you, because I said this has not. I will delete it. It has nothing to do with AJT. Please, there's nothing like no. Please, I don't want to be seeing that comment. Let it. No, yes, I yes, I'm just saying my own. That is my own opinion. Me, if I marry comments, most sorry, I'm not being. God will not allow them to prevail. Prevail bow, even though the whole world, even though anybody don't stand to, even though me, I don't. Does it mean anything? Let him also go meaning. You even let the whole world, let them be coming, let them be doing it in millions. You know, it's just we anybody just want to talk. Anybody confess sorrow. God is all shit here. Yes, I'm not saying you are busy, mental, whatever. I'm not saying you are against him. But that comment, I don't like it because thank God it is thank God it is only 164 watching you. Any ekpa nínú akamo. What is the meaning of that? I don't understand. Very dull. I want you to write that. I want you to what? Kini tumoye. Thank God it is only 164 that you thank God it is only 164 watching you. Any ekpa nínú ẹ̀pà nínú àkíyàmọ̀. Please just, I don't understand what you are saying. I like him, but every man with his own. Yes, I understand, mental. I understand what you are saying. Once even kò bá jẹ́ pé èèyàn kan ló ti ẹ̀ wò mí, I don't care. Kó tẹ̀ jẹ́ èèyàn kan, I don't. If people know me, èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá pé èèyàn ń wò mí. Me, I just, if I want to say my mind, I just pour it and I leave it there. But kò sí nǹkan tó come. Even though one person come here and come and watch, I don't care. I just want to say my own, as in, I just want to, as in, write, because me ò lè máa kọ long essay. I just want to pour out my opinion and say it and just leave it there. Go see, even with what I'm saying, kò add nǹkankan. With what I'm saying, kò subtract anything. What God will do, we do. Even though even though I talk, what will be, will be. Even though I didn't talk, what will be, will be. So, no, I just want to pour my own opinion. I just want to say, everybody with his because it has nothing to do with whatever team. I just want to say my, as in, pour out. Anybody like, even though it's one, sincerely, I don't, I love you, leave me. She's shading you new. I know. I understand. Aduni, I know. Let that person shade me. Epo nínú àkíyàmọ̀ náà ni kò matter. Epo kọ́. Gúgúrú ni. What they are doing now today is bullying and nothing. Epo kọ́, ẹ̀pà ni. She means epo nínú àkíyàmọ̀, but if Genesis is not real. Mo ti delete jàre. She mean epo nínú àkàmọ̀, but if Genesis is not real, I don't understand gbogbo if they, I don't, kò matter if it's what is not real about him. What is not real? Ṣé most of us àti ní personal encounter pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ gbogbo àìmọye àwọn nǹkan tó àìmọye àwọn allegation tó fi kan gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lórí Facebook. Ṣé a ní personal encounter pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ gangan? It's not real. This man is not real. Who is kí ni à ń pè ní what is the meaning of someone is not real? What is the meaning? Ṣé a ti ní personal? Wọ́n ẹlòmíràn sọ pé ṣe bíbú kì í sọ pé tó bá ti pè ó máa ń ṣe pé kinní kan. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí lè pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lá máa pè ṣé ó ṣe nǹkan kan fún wọn. That is it now. If what if it's not real? Kí ẹ ṣé a ti ní personal encounter pẹ̀lú ẹ̀? I'm not even talking to my mommy BC Oshomo. I'm just talking generally. Ṣé a ní personal encounter pẹ̀lú ẹ̀? Because we just want to, because of ẹlòmíì lè pè wá kó sọ fún wa pé tó bá rí nǹkan tí mo gbọ́ nípa Genesis yẹn ṣé a ti ní wọ́n sọ pé iná ni ó ti pọ̀ jù. I'm just one person. But if you ask me anything, I will tell you that I don't know, and I don't base my ọ̀rọ̀ mi lórí ìtò bá sọ ni màá sọ. Even though I don't know Genesis, so I don't know him, but I can't just explain. I think that is let it be with it. Let it just be with me. What is if Genesis is not real? I mean, by now it will be down. Okay, God bless you, ma. Even my mommy Oshomo, even though it's not real, even though it's not real, even though tí ó bá tiẹ̀ wá real, tí ó bá real, even though tí ó bá wá tún wá real, ṣé kí ni nǹkan táwa lè ṣe sí? Kí la fẹ́ ṣe sí tí ó bá real? That means that all the fúnra rẹ̀ mi sọ pé mi tí wá sọ̀rọ̀ Genesis, so even though we think someone is not real, kí ni ìtumọ̀ kí ló àwa fúnra ara wa ṣe rí àwa tá a máa lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn pásítọ̀ yẹn gangan kí ló wà nínú kí làwa gangan kí ló dé tí a lè ní as in personal encounter, personal relationship pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run? Why are you depending on pastors? What is the problem gangan? What do you think that the pastor are carrying? What do you think that the pastor carry that you can't deal with God directly? Okay, thank you. Thank you. What? Kí ni ó túmọ̀ sí pé yàn ò real? Ẹlòmíà àpọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n kígbe Genesis is not real. Pastor Ladele is a scammer lórí kíni ṣó gbọ́ you talk of scammer ṣó force ẹ gbọ́ owó. If Church of God if you want to build a Church of God àwa èèyàn tá a wà ń bẹ̀ la máa build the church. Do you think church will build itself? Church will build itself. You and I will be the one that will build the church of God. And you are okay now. You bring it that on rape. Ẹ̀yin wo lẹ jáde, ẹ̀yin wo lẹ gbójú jáde. Ẹ̀yin wo lẹ ti gbójú jáde gbogbo àwọn àzìnàlẹ́jì tẹ́ ń lé against this man yìí. Mélòó ló ti jáde, àníkẹ́ jáde, ẹ gbójú yín jáde. You are going under fake profile. You are bullying this man. I don't know Genesis. And this is one thing I can't even stand. His prayer answer on this instead. Kí ló sọ? Kí ni motive yín gangan? Kí ni motive yín against this man? Awareness wo lẹ ń create? Ṣé ń create pé àwọn ọmọ tó bí? Ṣé ẹ̀yin lẹ ń bá okay? Kí ló dé tí ṣé ẹ̀yin lẹ fẹ́ connect ọmọ? Ṣé problem tó cause fún ẹ̀yin nìyẹn? Kí ló dé tí àwọn yẹn gangan? Kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè lọ? Ìyá ọmọ, why can't you bring the face of the mother? Be bold. The mother of the children should be bold. Come out to let the world see you, that you are the mother of those children that was given birth to Genesis tí ó gbà. Ẹ má jẹ́ abaniláyé jẹ́ kẹ́ má bully àwọn èèyàn. Yes, I will stand up. I have female children. Ẹ má ma fi sentiment. You are a mother. You are a mother. What of you don't have father? Ṣé you don't have male children? Ṣé you don't have children? Ṣé you don't have male children? Ẹ má pariwo. You have female children. Kí ni àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ kí ló ní nǹkan kan bẹ̀? I'm going to atomic bomb prayer. Kí làwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ? Evidence wo ló wà ń bẹ̀? Kí ni nǹkan tá a lè dìmú nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ? Kí la lè dìmú? Ẹjọ́ kí la lè dìmú nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ, ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn allegations tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀, kí la lè dìmú nú ẹ̀? Kí ni kókó? What is the motive? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ń pass fún wa? You are telling us that ṣé ẹ sọ fún wa pé Genesis ó bí ọmọ kò gbà? Àtọ́bádé wa bí ọmọ tí ò bá gbà, ṣé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́rùn jẹ́? Ṣé a mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀? One, kí lẹ béèrè? Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ béèrè pé kí ló dé, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé Genesis yẹn gangan ṣé ẹ ti pè é? Ṣé ẹ ti inform Genesis pé àwa o Genesis o wọ́n ló bímọ o gbà o ṣẹ̀tọ́ lórí ọmọ o ṣe nǹkan kan? Ṣé awareness kí nìyẹn ní ṣe pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ń sọ? Genesis ò gbà. Sorry. Genesis bímọ kò gbà. Kí ló ní ṣe pé kí lẹ fẹ́ fà jáde ń bẹ̀ gangan? Kí ló ní ṣe pé what this kò gbọ́ ọmọ yẹn kí ló ní ṣe pẹ̀lú the word? What does it have to do with the word? What does it have to do with people? You want to connect children pẹ̀lú ọmọ. Ẹ fẹ́ connect ọmọ pẹ̀lú bàbá pé Genesis ó bí ọmọ kò gbà, ó bá yàn sùn kò gbà. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ connect ẹni? Ẹ dẹ̀ gbójú ọmọ jáde. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ connect? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ṣe ni tó máa fi gba ọmọ ẹ̀? Ṣé àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ni? So you are any motive yín ò genuine. Blackmailer ni yín ní iṣẹ́ méjì pé you are blackmailing this man lọ. If you say this man kò gba ọmọ, kí ni motive yín? Ṣé kó lè gba ọmọ? Okay, kí ni àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ rìn? Now, if you take it to woman rights activists, wọ́n á connect bàbá pẹ̀lú ọmọ. Okay, tí bàbá yín ò bá wá gbọ́mọ, then the woman rights activists will come into it and enforce and make sure that the father of these children, even though wọ́n ti kò fẹ́ gbé kọ́mọ yẹn máa gbé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, wọ́n á jẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn kó máa ṣẹ̀tọ́ lórí ọmọ. Ẹ̀yin kí ni motive yín? Gbogbo ariwo tẹ́ ń pa lánàá, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ sọ ni pé kẹ́ ẹ dáwó fún. Ṣé Genesis ti wá jáde? Ṣó ti wá gba ọmọ yẹn? Ṣé Genesis ti wá jáde tẹ́ ń pariwo yẹ kó ṣe DNA ó lọ́mọ 9 kíní kan? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyá tẹ́ ẹ bímọ, ẹ̀yin ìyá 9 yẹn, àbí bó sì jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ìyá 3 tẹ́ ẹ bí ọmọ ní 3, ṣé ẹ ṣe gbójú yín jáde? Àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣé ẹ fẹ́ fi connect bàbá ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fún Tósìn nìyẹn ọmọ yẹn ń gbà yẹn? Tẹ́ ṣe bully ẹ fi ba relationship yẹn jẹ́ ni. Ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí, are you connecting the father of the child pẹ̀lú bàbá, or you are destroying it? If at all it really happens, if you are not blackmailing, if you are not bullying this man, if you are not defaming this man's character, if you are what are you doing? The shows that you are doing now with bimo ko bimo, kile fajade, because kakpeboya human rights activists like be ẹjọ́ yẹn fún, wọ́n máa make sure pé even though those children are not living with their father, wọ́n máa make sure pé bàbá ọmọ yẹn ó ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ lórí ọmọ. They will enforce those as in the duty of those children on the father. But you, what you are doing is blackmailing, because kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ, all your talks, all your ranting, all your jagajagara dáradára tẹ́ ń ṣe, kí lẹ gbé jáde ẹ kàn ń pariwo DNA ẹ lọ wọ́ ìdí Genesis kó wá ṣe DNA. ẹ̀yin àpòdà kí lẹ rí ṣe? À ń pariwo he have to come and do the DNA o, Genesis have to come and do. ṣé ẹ sọ fún Genesis ó ń bọ̀ orí Facebook ẹ náà ní kẹ́ ti máa kígbe kó wá ṣe DNA. ẹ lọ mú ẹnu ẹ kẹ́ wọ́ jáde kẹ́ gba itọ́ kẹ́ wọ́ kẹ́ wá ṣe DNA. Orí Facebook náà ní kẹ́ ṣe DNA. Orí Facebook náà ní kẹ́ ti mú gbogbo àwọn dókítà yẹn kó wá bá yín kó lọ bá yín so Genesis mọ́lẹ̀, kó gba itọ́ àbí whatever, kó gbà pẹ̀lú tí ọmọ ẹ̀ kọ́ lọ ṣe DNA. Àwọn tó ń claim pé orí Facebook kẹ́ wá wọ́ ìdí Genesis kó lọ ṣe. Can you imagine? You want to, and you are claiming awareness. What kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ mú jáde? Kí ni motive yín gangan? Ṣé rántí tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí? Ṣé òun ló máa bó ṣe máa pariwo nìyẹn o? Tó ṣe máa rántí títí wọ́n bá tún yá bully, because iṣẹ́ bully ni wọ́n gbà. Bully ni wọ́n ò níṣẹ́ méjì. Wọ́n ṣe parí ọ̀jájá nìyẹn títí ọ̀jájá gbalẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn gbogbo wọ́n ṣe pariwo òun náà ní gbogbo òní bully iṣẹ́ ni blackmailer iṣẹ́ ni wọ́n ò níṣẹ́ méjì tí wọ́n ṣe. Iṣẹ́ blackmailer yìí ni wọ́n gbà. Blackmailer, to blackmail people, to bring them to subjection, to bully them. They don't have another work. That is the work they are doing. Because if you are saying you want to connect Omo pẹ̀lú Babe, number one, you are bringing out the face of the children. Why are you bringing out the face of Omo ẹ? Kí ló dé tẹ́ gbójú ìyá jáde? And number two, what you are doing ni kí lẹ fi connect Omo pẹ̀lú bàbá? Kí lẹ fi connect Omo pẹ̀lú bàbá? Bully ṣá. Blackmailing, intimidating people. When you see people talking about you, you want to go for those people. You don't want them to talk. You want your voice to be heard. You are so good in blackmailing. So good. Again, can commenting, I'm 100% positive with Genesis. Those people that is against him are a bunch of idiots. P&P left his wife in Nigeria and doing tusi for the meter they go. The remaining people should raise their hand if they are clean in every. What you see? Kini Sherry ma, ani kini nǹkan tó fẹ́ gbé jáde. I don't even go back to. Kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ gbé jáde nínú nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe? We are going to see how Genesis is going to come and do DNA. We are going to see how Genesis will be doing his duty on those children. Mo fẹ́ wò ó bí ọmọ máa ṣe. Ṣé bí wọ́n ti ẹ̀bí woman rights activist ní gbogbo àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀? A máa rí if I thought this thing tí wọ́n sọ ètò tán, a máa rí bí Genesis á ṣe wá sórí Facebook tí wọ́n wá sọ mọ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n á gba tọ́ ẹ̀ tí wọ́n á lọ ṣe tí wọ́n á gba nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n gbà láti lọ ṣe DNA fún ọmọ. Wọ́n á máa rí bó ṣe máa sọ Genesis mọ́lẹ̀ kó máa ṣe. This thing they are doing is they don't have any motive than blackmailing. They want this man shot. That is why you see them. You hear word like they want ó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ all this word. Mo gbàdúrà pé Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú fún wa tí a ṣe feel pé mo bí ọmọbìnrin dáadáa. I'm telling you, and I know what I'm saying, and I'm sure of what I'm saying. Yes, if I'm not sure of what I'm saying, I rather don't talk. I rather keep quiet and don't see anything. That is me. But what if I'm sure of what I'm saying? Lie. Mo bí ọmọbìnrin dáadáa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa fi sentiment pé ṣebí you have female children, ṣebí you have male ṣe kan, and you are a mother. Don't you have a male children? Are you not a mother? What they are doing to this man? No, ṣé kò jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. ẹ má jẹ́ máa fi sentiment tí o ká máa attach emotion sí àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò ní meaning. Some people bring out stage show when they bring out arabu when they stage it you say kíní kan nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ yìí tó tọ́ kí ló wà ní ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ. Kí ló wà ń bẹ̀? Kí ló wà? Ìgbà tó ń sọ gan mo kúrò ń bẹ̀ ni because tó o bá ti gbọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí wọ́n sọ wá ti mọ̀ pé àràbù lélẹ̀ náà wá ti mọ̀ pé àwọn kìíní ò add-up àwọn ẹ̀ǹdì kìíní kan ó wá bímọ ó lóyún ní 3 years ó ṣe pé kìíní kan. I have 3 children kò sí if it happens to me I will not if I really want that man to as in to contribute to life ọmọ yẹn I will not take it to this thing. I will rather take it to people that will help me to connect to the Father. I will rather take it to people that will help me to connect to the Father. So kí bàbá yẹn wá ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ lórí kó wá ṣe ẹ̀tọ́ ẹ̀ lórí ọmọ. I will not take it to people tó yẹ pé I will begin to mama sọ̀rọ̀. Ó mì pé kò sí jẹ́ ní whatever níbẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan kan irọ́ ni àràbù ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rò wò náà if àtọ̀ tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa ṣé a máa gbé lọ fún àwọn tó máa bá wa fi àtúnṣe sí ni tó bá yẹ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó tọ́ àbí àwọn tó máa bá wa bàjẹ́ àbí àwọn tó máa yẹ pé òkè ẹ̀tọ́ lórí ọmọ la fẹ́ a fẹ́ kí ọmọ yẹn connect a fẹ́ kí bàbá ọmọ kó gba ọmọ even though they want to kí ló dé tí wọ́n ṣe lọ sí Nàìjíríà kó lọ ṣe rally kí ló dé if they really want to bring shame okay shame yẹn a fẹ́ kí Genesis kó gbọmọ kí ló dé tí wọ́n ṣe lọ ṣe rally Nàìjíríà kí ló dé tí wọ́n ṣe gbé play card even tó bá wọ̀ kókè Genesis is so arrogant Genesis will not Genesis is not whatever wọ́n ṣe lọ gbé play card ṣé Genesis ó jẹ́ kínní ni ṣé Genesis ojú is it untouchable in Nigeria ni ṣó fẹ́ ju brẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ àmọ́ àwọn cases kó gbé lọ sí irú brẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ come on wọ́n máa pe àfin ní kinní fún wa if you everybody with his or her own opinion and that is my own opinion that is what I just thought pé if this thing is real why are they hiding under fake profile why are they not bringing out their face why are they not bringing out the mother face ìyá ọmọ why are they bringing out the face of the children because they know the case of Tosin they know that okay ó look like one stage kinní ni and all of us by the grace of God will be here tí àṣírí gbogbo ẹ̀ máa tú. Some people say, why did Genesis keep quiet? What do you want him to say? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ? Kí ni Genesis fẹ́ sọ? I just leave us with pé Ọlọ́run ó mọ ohun gbogbo. Ọlọ́run ó mọ gbogbo. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ó mọ gbogbo tó wà ní ìpamọ́. Ó mọ motive gbogbo àwọn people yìí lórí whatever tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ òótọ́ ni, we will see it. Tó bá jẹ́ pé irọ́ ni, we will see it. Ọlọ́run nìkan òun ló mẹjọ dá. So mo gbàdúrà pé Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ká tẹ́ni tìkà Ọlọ́run ò ní fi wá Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí a ní ọ̀rẹ́ Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ká rojọ́ àbí ká ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n sápamọ́ láti bà wá láyé jẹ́ because first this person yìí this lady the motive as in the first day of connecting with this man I can tell you she has that he wants to ó ní mission nínú life ọkùnrin yẹn she has mission she have motive of going to that man's life Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣọ́ra o ẹ ṣọ́ra gidi gan ẹ mọ àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ fún ẹ mọ àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ máa rò pé ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni ẹ ṣọ́ra Ọlọ́run nìkan Jésù nìkan lọ̀rẹ́ òtítọ́ o ó nìkan la lè fọ̀rọ̀ sí lọ́wọ́ ó nìkan la láṣìírí tó ń báyàn fi àṣírí pamọ́ and I pray that God á wà pẹ̀lú wa lórúkọ Jésù ojú òní tì wá o it is well with us just have a good night rest o I wish every one of us a lovely night rest bye bye.